Welcome back to another episode of Living in Jacksonville in St. Augustine, Florida. I'm Josh.
And I'm Caitlin, and we are the owners and the team leads of the Move Me to Florida team at Roundtable Realty. Feel free to browse through all of our videos where we highlight neighborhoods and master plan communities throughout Jacksonville and St. Augustine. And if you're interested in discussing potentially buying or selling in the future, call or text the number below or email us at info@welcomehome904.com.
So today we are showcasing Seven Pines, a new master plan community situated between the beaches in downtown Jacksonville. Seven Pines enjoys a premier location in Jacksonville's south side near the St. John's Town Center, which is full of great shopping and dining, and it's just south of the University of North Florida.
And I love shopping and dining at the town center, which is a large open outdoor shopping center that has more than 175 of the hottest retailers and restaurants, including Apple, Sephora, Gucci, Tesla, Tiffany, Louis Vuitton. I could go on. And this is all just a 7-minute drive from the community, Seven Pines.
Yes, this community is very centrally located. You're about 20 minutes from the beaches, 20 minutes to downtown, 30 minutes to the airport, and about 40 minutes to downtown St. Augustine.
What I particularly love about this community is that it's perfect for those who also want to be in nature, lead an active lifestyle, and be part of an incredible community with plenty of green space, parks, lakes, trails, and events the whole family can enjoy.
So let's talk about the builders. Seven Pines has two phenomenal builders in the community where you can really customize your dream home if you're building from the ground up. ICI and David Weekley. There are also quick move-ins available as well, and we can walk you through some of the models in just a minute.
So how big will Seven Pines be? The community plans to build about 1,600 homes, but they have a big emphasis on having plenty of green space and nature, as well as state-of-the-art amenities for its residents.
A cool and unique feature Seven Pines will have is a central canal that actually runs through the community, and residents can paddleboard or kayak from one end to the other. Alongside this canal, you'll find the crown jewels of Seven Pines: Amphitheater, Legacy Park, and Epic Park. From live concerts to food trucks, events, the whole family can enjoy. Seven Pines offers an unparalleled outdoor lifestyle experience.
Now let's go take a look at their models. We're going to walk you through the gorgeous models of ICI and David Weekley. Come on. If one of these models piqued your interest or you have more questions about the community, let us know and we would be happy to send you more information. Again, you can contact us at this number here or email us at info@welcomehome904.com.
So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Living in Jacksonville and St. Augustine, Florida. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.